Today's tip is on how to prune Coleus. Coleus is an outdoor plant, full sun plant that you can pot in pots or you can put in your beds. And it's one of those that will completely take over the entire pot, and it'll grow as tall as you let it. So to prune your Coleus, all you're going to do is come down and just pinch it off. And then what I do is I just stick it right back down into the pot. But this keeps that plant from completely taking over, and you can still see the creeping Jenny that's in the pot. So I just tuck it right down in. Now it will be wilty for a couple of days, but it will come right back. It'll put on roots and it'll be beautiful.